Oh, okay. Here we go.
Symbols of a bonding. Manifestations of ill will. Focused, concentrated. So it's a curse. A curse that keeps the specters here. A penitent. Good thing it hasn't appeared to me yet.
A penitent.
Couldn't possibly kill it in this mist and darkness. Need that lighthouse working again. If Mikkjal's the cursed one, the curse binds him to this place. He's the only one who can light the fire that'll break the curse.
Ooh, okay. Let's go, Mikkjal.
I can't go outside. It'll kill me. I can feel it.
You scared, little boy?
I'll escort you. Now, no excuses.
You gonna wet your
Grab some
pants?
oil and let's go before I change my mind.
Look! There! It's him!
I see it.
Ooh.
Now shut your mouth and go light the fire. Remember, you fail, the penitent will kill me and come for you. Hurry up. Don't know how much longer I can manage this.
Let me try to kill it. Maybe. Oh no! It spawned more of them. That's not good. Shit. Oh, I can kill them actually. No, I can't. No, I'm not doing no damage to it. I can do it. No, okay. Never mind. Actually, I'm doing some damage. Oh yeah.
Light. Finally. Time to get this done.
Nice. Oh. Oh, really? He dodged me? Come here, then. Look how many nice traps I got for you. Boom. Oh, get fucking destroyed. Pennant. Peninsula. God damn.
Did it work?
Yeah, can't you see?
But that doesn't make the island safe. Because you're still here. A lightkeeper who lures ships onto the rocks. Sheesh.
I made a mistake. I know this now. Swear by Freya and all the gods, never again.
Absolutely never. Soon as we're done talking, you're gonna pack up and leave. For good. Understand?
But I understand.
Alright. What is this? Whoa! Whoa. What the fuck is this attack? So much AoE. Okay, they're not doing damage. At all, but I'll... What? Okay. I guess I have a good armor now, so I'm not taking damage at all, almost. And doing fair amount of damage, yeah. Armored Arachne, or whatever that was. Holy shit, that was a big-ass beast. Armored Araxkaskas. Sure. Ice Giant. Wait, how do I know this? Oh yeah, I did fight this. I fought this. Penitent. There it is. Penitent. Alright. Right. Were you out, horsey? Sorry, did you get scared? Did you get spooked? Spoopity-booped. Go. Just go. Thank you. Alright. Oh, wolves again? Come on, man. What are we doing? Whoa! What the fuck just happened? Fuck, I used oil, I think, right? No, okay, it doesn't... Oh, wait, okay, cool. Wait, how much is this? 40, 68, 60. Okay, I need to recover this a bit. 40. There we go. Okay, we got one more. Oh, more wolves. Come on, man. What are we doing? Shit. All right. Okay. Holy shit, what is that? Why is it there like that? Is it there? The crows? Damn, they look scary, bro. Sounds so scary. Let's go. Let's go, Leshen. Let's see what you got, boy. Oh shit! Oh, it has wolves as well? Oh my god. Oh my god, let's go. Okay, oh shit, that's a lot of damage. Fuck off, wolves. Where's my... Okay, let me check this. Bro, take the fucking thing! Why is he not taking the thing? I can't drink a potion? Hello? Look, he can't drink a potion. What the fuck? Wait. I can't drink a potion? What's happening? I'm trying to drink a potion. What's happening? Just give me something. I don't know. Sure, I don't know. Let's go with this. Fuck it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shit. Okay, there we go. He's taking damage. He's taking damage now. Burning. Huge. What? How? Nice, he's dead. Bro, that was so weird. I couldn't drink a potion. And I'm almost dead. Oh my... And my... Look. Wait. Look, my toxicity is not even on. What's happening? Was there a bug? What just happened? Okay, never mind. I got it. I killed it.